guys, I just wanted to pop on and go over this adjustable table I have. It is so nice. It's such a great size. It has wheels, so it's easy to move around. It's great for if you're on the couch, you know, working on homework or whatever it may be, puzzles, games, which is super nice. It's super easy to assemble and put together, which is great. Didn't take long at all. It does have different attachments that you can hook up to the table here. You have a cup holder, which is super nice. You have a cell phone, a tray, which is adjustable. So depending on the size of your phone, it can fit right in there. You have a hook. You have this as well that you can attach your phone right in here. So if you're watching like a movie or listening to something, you can have it displayed right on your table here. And then same with this. So it's nice to have those different features, and this also adjusts. So like I said, this here rolls around. You can, like the bottom of it is skinny where it can go under like a bed or a couch, which is great. And like I said, it does adjust. You do have a handle right here. So you just go ahead and lift up, and then you can go ahead and pull this up. So if you were working and you wanted to stand, you certainly can do that as well, which is great. And then to move it down, you do the exact same thing. Push in the lever, and then you just push the table down. So it's super nice that there's several different options how to use this, and I love the height. So depending on your comfort level, the size of your couch or your chair that you're using, you can adjust it where it's comfortable. So it's absolutely perfect. Love all the options that it comes with as well, that you can attach to the side so it doesn't take up the space of your table.